MEHLEP or MEHLEP. Now, this is a spice that you probably haven't heard of, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious cherry tart using an exotic spice called MEHLEP. Because it is cherry season here in the Mediterranean, we're coming here from the beautiful island of Naxos here in Greece. I wanted to share with you this recipe using that spice, MEHLEP, because it actually comes from a type of cherry tree found all along the Mediterranean. Now, yes, this cherry tree is called St. Lucia, and the pips are dried, cracked open, and these little seeds here are used as an aromatic spice in lots of sweet dishes that you'll find here in Greece and also in Turkey. Now, the flavor of MEHLEP is very aromatic. It has a cherry flavor, it has a bitter almond flavor, and also a rose flavor. So it's a very unique spice, and it works perfectly with this cherry and hazelnut tart today. Hi there, my name's Chef Jess here from Vegan Gastronomy Kitchen, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on these free classes. Now, if you want the recipe, just click down in the link below. You will find the recipe for this cherry tart with our exotic spice, MEHLEP. Now, I've already prepared my hazelnut shortbread base, so now we can get into the filling of our tart today. Now, this filling is based on a financier or a French almond cake, but in this case we are using the hazelnuts to complement our beautiful cherries today. So all you need to do is check out that recipe. You can find all the ingredients there. I've got all my dry ingredients here in my bowl, all whisked together. Now, of course, because we're making this vegan, we aren't using eggs, but we are using something that's super convenient and easy, which is panis egg, and I will also include the link of where to find that. Just click in that drop-down menu there and you'll find the link to where you can get panis egg for our whole egg replacer. We're replacing 2 whole eggs today. Now, I have here in my jug some melted margarine, and we are going to be combining those 2 together. So just straight in and blend it all together. Now, of course, we are using our aromatic spice MEHLEP. It goes so incredibly with this dessert today, giving it the bitter almond, amaretto type flavors. If you're one of our friends watching from South America, it's very similar to tonka. So what I've done is, it's best to use this spice whole and then grind it fresh as you would nutmeg. And we're just gonna add our wet mixture, so our vegan egg and our melted margarine. And we're just going to combine all of this together, and then this is going to go into the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours, and you can go ahead and prepare your crust while you are doing that. there you have it, folks. Our beautiful cherry and hazelnut tart with MEHLEP, that exotic spice that you find right here in the Mediterranean. Please go and check out that spice. It's so incredible. Maybe one of your local markets will have it available in stock, but if not, leave me a question in the comments below and I can advise some things to substitute too. I do hope you give this a try, and I will catch you next time in the next video. See you soon. Bye.